Human birth on this earth because of the force of nature. This force of nature continues from birth to death. How much this nature force works on the human health, to that level man will be very hale and healthy. What is that nature force? Nature force is one in the daytime solar energy, night rays of moon. Solar energy always take care of the human health in the daytime. Liver function, heart function, kidney function, all these things are attributed by the solar energy. So solar energy can be taken as a electricity of the body, as we know the strength of electricity. When there is a good electricity, the light will be very bright. The same way, how much solar energy empowering, how much body is able to absorb the solar energy in the system, to that level man will be very healthy. Apart from that, his stomach will be very healthy. Wherever there is a stomach disorders, it indicates that solar power is not much in the stomach. That is called Jata Agni, that is called fire. That fire is created by sun rays to the stomach, and the same solar energy helps for the absorption of food. When you find some discomfort in the stomach, lack of absorption or lack of hunger, gas formation, acidity, unable to bear the gas problem, all this due to low fire in the stomach. Therefore, how this solar energy will penetrate in the health is a very important question with the present day. If your body is very strong and powerful, it has got that magnetic force. All the health, they carry the magnetic force which absorb the power of the nature from the solar energy. Wherever there is a solar energy is not properly penetrated in the health, some kind of disease will develop. What kind of disease it will develop, we don't know. But all the disease will have a name. But the background of diseases, lack of solar energy in the system. Therefore, as we know, once the solar energy, when solar is not working after 11 o'clock in the night or 12 o'clock in the night, we go for a fast sleep. The same solar one comes in the morning, we wake up. This proves that solar energy has got an impact on our health. Sleep only can tell you that solar energy is minimum in your system. That's why we sleep. So solar energy has got a predominant role, and the same solar energy once totally evaporates from the body, then only the cardiac arrest comes and the whole body becomes very cool. This is the indication of solar energy. People may think, what is the solar energy? So far we have never heard. Okay, because they have not heard, we have practically seen, and today we are telling about the solar energy. So body should be in a full position to absorb the nature power. What is that nature power? Nature power is air, which you call oxygen, water, which we know, food we get from earth, and all such thing only maintain the human health. Although human is not brought by money, nature has created a human and he is growing. As we know, while birth, our structure is very small one. As the time advances, the structure develop to the height of a human, from born infants to height of human age, adult age. The same age where the solar goes little low after age of 50, body goes with the deterioration, and after 60 further deterioration starts. That's why almost all people are retired at the age of 60, because body imbalance goes down. So body has to be balanced now. Solar must give a full energy to body, then only he will be balanced. I am talking to you at age of 80, but I am very balanced and very healthy because of the solar power, what I have discovered and what I have been preaching, what I have been telling. The same solar energy is keeping a good measurement in my body, and I am able to, you can assess my voice at this age, that how much solar energy is working in my body.